We should start a thing that's like, instead of pickle it, powder it. I have the Serrano plant. I can buy green Serranos at the store, so pick them red. Blanch and shuck, sit them outside, finish in a dehydrator, dried Serranos. Starting from the tip, chop all the way up and then discard the stem. Get you a grinder. Empty cabinet. I ain't the pickle king. I ain't trying to sit here like pickle stuff all the time. From this to this. And through a funnel into a jar it goes. So that's that. Remember, look, you don't have to pickle everything. Instead of pickling it, powder it. Ugh.